Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be looking at the pros and cons of using Remarker AI. You see, Remarker AI is the video wizard that might turn your cat into a dinosaur. Do you want to turn your selfies into movie magic? Well, Remarker AI promises to edit videos faster than you can say bad lighting. But does it deliver, or is it just like weird alien filter that it delivers? Let's roll the tape and find out. Now, it's a pro because it has a pro of auto edits like a caffeinated intern, but it can't because sometimes dynamic cuts equals seizure warning. Next, it makes your vlog look expensive. The con to that, film noir, Noir. Film noir turns your dog into a shadow demon. That might be cool. It depends on. Moving on. The pro is that it has AI voiceovers, which are less awkward than your narration. Wow, that's a jab at me. And those of us who. Anyway, and then the strategy that is that the emotional tone it has is like a GPS giving a eulogy. Yeah, EULOGY. Eulogy. It's like, a GPS giving you a eulogy. That is how it sounds emotional. Then lastly, it's free to try, unlike film school. But the con to that is that 4K rendering might crash your toaster. So the verdict is this: it is perfect for lazy creators, terrifying for perfectionists. So use it to go viral, or at least confuse your cat. If your AI remix gets 1 million views, we accept thank you tacos. Cut, print, see you in the next video.